All right, Mr. Bones, first things first, I want you to pull out number one, spark plug, put your finger over the hole, rotate the engine around until you feel the compression coming up. You're going to make the engine line up. Let's see, get down here. All right, on the fourth dot from the left. So you see the little yellow dot, that's 0 degrees, two more past that, that's 10 degrees. So it's pointing at 10 degrees exactly. And my distributor, as you can see, is pointed directly at number one, and we are maxed out. And that this is all set as how Nissan says to set it, as far as like lining your timing marks and stuff like that up. If you line those things up and do it just like I said, it is guaranteed to be in timing. Now, give me a second. I want to pull off this little cover so you can see how the wheel is to make sure you're putting the little trigger wheel in correctly. Okay, the trigger doesn't really look like it's got too many defining characteristics other than it has two little titties, it looks like, on this side. But other than that, the trigger wheel looks pretty much identical all the way around. So I would put the stock trigger wheel back on, and again, this